Beware.
Burn the pain on me. Yeah, lovely. Stand still, guys.
Beware.
Oh.
Beware.
You need to stand one of your shocks.
In the shock, so you usually move out of them. That's your first idea, but then you actually have to stand in them, and it will stun you, but it will also remove the guy off your face.
Then in the beams.
Burn the pain on me.
Beware.
Lovely.
Wind.
Beware.
Get rid of these odds, guys. Hydra shot.
Burn the pain. Thank you.
Beware.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Stunned. 2 seconds.
Come back a bit.
Beware.
Burn the pain.
Stunned at the second.
Mastery aura going.
Just doing it now before I forget.
The wrong kind of gifts. We all ran off. Taunted. We want to clear some of these.
Yeah, if you can. We've got Ascendance ready when we need it.
Cool.
Hydra shot.
Burn the pain.
Beware.
Oh.
Taunted.
dropping the totem, the tide totem,
So we get polar.
also known as a totem.
Res ball.
On the edge.
Burn the pain.
I've got tide in 30 seconds.
Beware.
Tornadoes coming up.
From our left.
Hit it like you mean it.
Yep.
Yeah.